Good morning. Welcome aboard the ferry Seabird Express. May I see your ticket, please?
Good morning. Here is my ticket for the journey today. I'm excited to travel by sea.
Thank you. I see you have a reservation for a private cabin. That is a nice choice.
Yes, I booked a small cabin for the overnight trip. My cabin number is 405.
Cabin 405 is located on deck 4. You need to take the elevator just past this main entrance area.
Thank you. Where is the elevator located from this main deck? I do not see it yet.
Walk straight ahead past the information desk. The large elevator is on your left side.
Walk past the information desk, then the elevator is on the left side. I will remember that direction.
Are you familiar with the cabin decks? It is easy to get a little bit lost on this big ship.
No, this is my very first time traveling on a large ferry like this one. It is very big inside.
Do not worry. Deck 4 is usually very quiet and peaceful for sleeping during the night trip.
That is perfect. I hope to get a good night's sleep before I arrive at the next port city.
I can show you to the elevator now if you like. I am waiting for only the last few passengers.
That would be very kind of you, Liam. I would definitely appreciate the help now.
Follow me, please. The stairs are also an option, but the elevator is much better with your luggage.
I will definitely take the elevator with my large suitcase. It is too heavy to carry up the stairs.
At the elevator, here is the elevator now. Press the small button marked with the number 4.
Thank you. I pressed the button for the 4th deck. I see the sign for the cabins now.
Once you exit the elevator, turn right. Cabin 405 is the 5th door down the hallway on that side.
Turn right. The 5th door is my cabin. Is the key already inside the door lock for me?
No, you must use your ticket's barcode to open the electronic door lock yourself.
I scan the barcode on my ticket to open the door. That is a new modern system for me.
Exactly. Is there anything else about the ship's layout I can tell you now?
Yes, I have a few questions about where I can put my large suitcase inside the small cabin.
We are now on deck 4. Please turn to your right now, just as I told you before.
Okay, I am turning right now. This long hallway looks very long and all the doors look exactly the same.
Do not worry. Just look carefully for your number now. We are looking for cabin number 405.
Here is door number 401, then 402, 403. Here is my door, number 405.
Excellent. You found it quickly. Now please try scanning your paper ticket here on the small black sensor.
The small door light has turned green now. I hear a quiet click sound.
The lock is open now. Please quickly enter your cabin before the light turns red again.
Thank you, Liam. I am entering the cabin now. The cabin is very small, but it looks very clean and cozy inside.
It is small, but very efficient for one person. Now, let's talk about your large suitcase, David.
Yes, I have this one very heavy suitcase. Where is the best place to put it so it does not block the narrow door?
You must not leave it near the door. That is a strict safety rule for the emergency exit path.
I understand the safety rule completely. I want to keep the exit path completely clear for everyone.
Look under your bed now. There is a specific large space for a suitcase to slide in completely.
I see the space now. It is a perfect hidden spot for my one large suitcase.
Also, you have a small closet next to the bathroom door. You can hang your jacket inside that spot.
That small closet will be perfect for my heavy winter jacket and my travel coat.
Do you also have a smaller bag, like a backpack, with you in the cabin?
Yes, my small backpack will stay with me on the bed. It holds my book and my phone charger.
That is perfectly fine. Please make sure everything is put away securely before the ship starts sailing.
I will secure everything now. Thank you for showing me the perfect storage spot under the bed.
My pleasure. Is there anything else about the small cabin itself that you need to know right now?
No, the cabin is perfect. I am just wondering about the public ferry services now.
I can certainly tell you about the important public areas on this ferry ship.
Great. Where is the best place on the ship to go get a hot cup of coffee?
The main cafeteria is on deck 5, just one floor above us. I can show you the location on the map.
Thank you for showing me the spot for the coffee, Liam. Is the cafeteria on deck 5 very large?
Yes, the main cafeteria is quite large and offers many food options. It takes up most of the 5th deck area.
Besides the cafeteria, are there any other nice public areas for relaxing and reading a book?
Yes, we have 2 excellent quiet areas. We have a small library lounge on deck 6.
A library lounge sounds wonderful for reading. Is deck 6 directly above the cafeteria floor?
That is correct. You can take the central stairs right up from the cafeteria to the library area.
Where can I go if I want to go outside and see the ocean and the passing ships?
We have a very large sun deck on the top of the ferry, deck 7. That is the highest point.
Is the sun deck open to all passengers for the entire duration of the journey?
The sun deck is open now until 9 o'clock tonight. It might close if the weather gets bad.
I hope the weather stays nice and calm. I would like to watch the sunset from the top deck.
I hope the sunset is clear for you. We often get beautiful views from deck 7.
I need to purchase a few personal items like a toothbrush and some snacks. Is there a shop on board?
Yes, the small duty-free shop is located near the cafeteria on deck 5 as well.
I will visit the shop after I put my large suitcase away. Thank you for telling me.
Are you planning to watch any of the movies in the small entertainment room tonight?
Oh, is there a movie room on this ferry? I did not see that listed on my ticket details.
Yes, the entertainment room is on deck 3, the floor below this cabin deck.
Thank you for that surprise information. I might go watch a movie after dinner.
Just remember, the ship is very wide. Follow the signs carefully so you do not get lost inside.
I will use this small map near the elevator to guide my way around the decks.
That is a smart idea. The map shows you the location of all the restrooms too.
Thank you. I think I know all the important public areas now for my trip.
Excellent. I hope you enjoy all the services on the Seabird Express.
Liam, I have some more questions about the long trip schedule now.
Certainly, David. I can give you all the important times for the journey.
When exactly does the ferry leave the port this afternoon? What is the sailing time?
The ferry will leave the port exactly at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. That is 1500.
Thank you for the exact time. When do we expect to arrive at the new port city tomorrow morning?
We expect to arrive tomorrow morning at 7:30 a.m. promptly.
7:30 a.m. is very early, so the total travel time is about 16 hours?
Yes, that is the standard time for this long, direct route across the sea.
I need to know about food now. When exactly can I get breakfast in the morning?
Breakfast service starts quite early, exactly at 6:30 a.m. in the main cafeteria.
6:30 a.m. Is the breakfast meal included in the price of my paid ticket?
No, I am afraid the breakfast is not included. You must buy it separately at the cafeteria counter.
That is fine. Is the breakfast service at the main cafeteria on deck 5?
Yes, only the main cafeteria is open for the breakfast service tomorrow morning.
Do I need to book a seat or make a reservation for the early breakfast service?
No, you do not need any reservation. Just walk in and find any free table.
Perfect. And what about dinner tonight? When does the evening meal service begin?
Dinner service starts at 6 o'clock tonight and runs until 9:30 p.m.
I think I will have dinner tonight at 7 o'clock after I see the sunset from the top deck.
That sounds like a wonderful plan. Remember, the sun deck closes exactly at 9 p.m.
Will the ferry stop at any other small islands or ports during the night sailing?
No, this is a direct ferry route. We will not stop at any other ports during the night.
That is good. Will the crew wake me up when the ferry arrives at the destination port?
We will not wake you personally, but we will make an important announcement on the loudspeaker system.
When will that announcement be made? How much time before the final arrival?
The announcement will be made exactly 1 hour before the ship docks at the final port city.
Thank you very much, Liam. All these specific times are very helpful for my planning.
My pleasure, David. Please enjoy the smooth sailing.
Liam, can I please speak to you for a quick moment? I do not feel very well now.
Of course, David. You look a little bit pale right now. Is something the matter with your health?
Yes, the ship is moving a lot. I feel very sick to my stomach now.
Ah, I understand immediately. That sounds like typical seasickness. Does your head hurt too?
Yes, my head hurts a little bit now. I felt much worse when I was inside my small cabin.
That is very common for first-time travelers. You need to get some fresh air immediately.
Where is the best place to find fresh air that is not too windy? Is the sun deck okay?
I recommend the rear viewing deck on deck 6. It is sheltered and usually very calm.
Thank you. I will go there immediately now. Is the ferry rocking very hard right now?
The sea is a little bit rougher than usual tonight. It should definitely calm down by midnight.
Do you have any medication that can help stop the sickness feeling quickly for me?
Yes, we keep a supply of anti-sickness tablets here at the main information desk for passengers.
That is wonderful. Could I please have one tablet right now? I feel very bad.
I will get one tablet for you immediately. Please drink this glass of water with the medication now.
Thank you for the water. Should I take both tablets that I saw at the desk now?
No, only take one tablet now, please. You can take the second tablet later tonight, if you still need it.
I will take the one tablet now. I hope it starts working very quickly for my stomach.
Find a chair on deck 6 with a clear view of the stable horizon. That can help your balance too.
Look at the horizon. I will remember that simple instruction to try and help myself.
Please call me on the ship's house phone from the lounge if you feel any worse later this evening.
I will call you if I need more help tonight. Thank you for the kind assistance and the medicine, Liam.
My pleasure, David. Try to relax and focus only on the fresh air now.
I will go straight to deck 6 now. I hope to feel much better very soon.
I hope so too. Rest well and have a good night. I will check on you later.
Good morning, Liam. I came to say thank you before I finally leave the ferry now.
Good morning, David. I am very glad to see you are standing and looking 100% better today.
I feel completely well now. The seasickness tablets you gave me worked perfectly. Thank you.
I am very relieved to hear that news. I hope you got some good sleep in your cabin after taking the medicine.
Yes, I slept very well after the sea calmed down. I woke up feeling great this morning.
Did you manage to get up early enough to have some breakfast in the main cafeteria?
Yes, I had breakfast right when the service started at 6:30. The hot coffee was very fresh.
I am glad you enjoyed your meal. We try to provide excellent food before passengers leave the ship.
The ferry is moving very slowly now. Are we getting very close to the destination port city?
Yes, we're docking at the final port now. We will stop completely in about 10 minutes' time.
What should I do now? What are the final instructions for leaving the ship safely?
Please go back to your cabin now and collect your large suitcase from under your bed.
I already have all my bags with me. My large suitcase and my small backpack are ready to go.
Excellent. Please proceed to deck 2 which is where the main vehicle and passenger exit ramp is located.
I go down to deck 2, near the ramp. Should I wait for a final announcement there before walking off?
Yes, please wait near the ramp. The crew will announce when it is safe to walk onto the dock.
I will wait until I hear the safety announcement. I definitely do not want to rush the exit process.
Please be careful when you walk down the ramp. It might be a little bit steep and slippery today.
I will walk slowly and carefully when I leave the ship. I promise to be very safe.
Do you have a plan for getting to your final location once you are off the ferry and at the port?
Yes, I have a friend waiting for me right near the port exit gate. I will meet him there.
That is wonderful. I hope your entire journey continues to be pleasant and smooth from here.
Thank you again for everything, Liam. You were truly the most helpful crew member on the whole ship.
Thank you for your very kind words, David. It was my pleasure to help you travel comfortably.
Goodbye, Liam. Thank you for the ride.
Goodbye, David. Please travel with Seabird Express again soon.